Yeah, there's actually a pretty crazy story behind this video. I was actually just planning to do a normal review and also tutorial about this MILESEE's precision tool, because we have so many absolutely amazing functions here built in, like the laser distance measuring. We even have this dual laser to the front and to the side, and we can use it also as a super advanced bubble level tool. But while trying it, I had this absolutely awesome experience, and I have to tell you this story, and this is really what happened. And so this is how the story goes. I was trying to find out what's the most amazing function here in this tool. And for me, it's the function where you can just point with this tool into a direction, point with the laser to a point, and then turn around and then point it to another location and hit the button again, and then you have the exact distance, not from here to one of these points, but actually the distance between these two points. And so I almost couldn't believe that this is possible in this class with such a device. And so I turned it on. It's very easy to use. We just select the function, go to the right side, select what we need. In this case, that's this function. We hit the button here. Of course, when we start, we have to be careful because it starts the laser. And so we can point then where we want to have the starting point. Of course, while doing that, it's asking to calibrate. But you don't have to calibrate it where you want to point it. You can just put it down on a desk and then let it calibrate, and then you take it. And this is what I've done. I've just pointed to the left upper corner to a wall, then hit this button here. And then of course you have to be very careful, because actually this function is intended to be used on a tripod, but of course you don't always have a tripod with you when you want to use this function. And so what I did, I was just holding it like that, and so I tried to imitate a tripod, just holding it like that, and turned around the device, pointing it up to the upper right corner where I wanted to measure the distance to, and hit the button again. And so it was showing me the distance in between. I've set it in the settings to centimeters, and so it was showing to me 686 centimeters. And so I went to the right side to the wall, adjusted it to normal distance measuring, and actually to the back, because you have different possibilities. You can measure from the front and from the side. And so I've set it up then to measure from the back. And of course I wanted to have the whole distance from wall to wall, exactly what I've been measuring up to the left top and to the right top. And so I put it towards the wall and measured it, and guess what? It has been showing to me 686 centimeters, exactly same thing as just conveniently staying there, pointing to the left top, pointing to the right top, and have the exact same result here. Isn't that amazing? This simply blew me away. And this was not just like having this device flat on a desk or so and then just rotating left, right, or having it on a tripod. No, I was just holding it like that. This is absolutely amazing. And because I couldn't believe, I did it also a second time, and it was just a very, very, very little bit off. So I think I could repeat that over and over and over, and it would be pretty much exactly same thing. This is absolutely amazing. But again, we have many, many different functions. Laser is at least inside of a home very clearly visible. This green laser is very bright. Even when it's bright inside, absolutely no problem. The only limitation is outside in direct sun. It's almost impossible to see, but I've tried similar things also with red laser or so, and it was super, super difficult, also pretty much impossible. I would say this is as it is. It's just a small, very thin laser. We can't make it super, super wide unless we would have some assistant light or something like that, which I've never seen before. So I'm not really going to complain about that, and still going to enjoy what we really have here. Of course, when you want to have the exact distance, then I highly recommend to measure wall to wall, exactly how I did it the second time. But when you're away from something and there's absolutely no way you can get up there, for example, and measure the distance, this is the absolutely top device to do that. At least I would say in the consumer market, maybe there are some professional tools which can do exactly the same thing or maybe even better. But for me, this is an absolute game changer, what we can do with this thing, and it is absolutely solid built. We have the tripod adapter. We have even the possibility to use rechargeable batteries, which have been even included in the set. Yeah, this thing is absolutely phenomenal. For me, it doesn't get any better than that. And so I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with these devices, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.